Hello and welcome to another update video about Chiliz. Chiliz, basically no change in forecast, yeah. Still on track here to push higher in a C wave of B before we come down to finish off the wave 2. So let's talk about that. Chiliz is one of the coins where I think, they could have already seen the low. So there are some coins that, in my opinion, could have seen already the low of the bear market. One is, for example, Quant, one is Ethereum, we have Aave, Metis, a few others that I talk about in the videos regularly. Chiliz is one of them as well. So with Chiliz, my view is that we saw here a wave 1 to the upside and impulse, a wave 2 down, a 3 up, a 4 down, and a 5 up to form this wave 1, this higher degree wave 1, based on the Elliott Wave method. And that we are now coming down here in a wave 2. We've already hit the target area that I defined, I think, when we started the decline up there. But it doesn't have enough structure for me to say this is already the ABC. We've come down far enough to complete the wave 2, by all means. Yeah, we have. But my view is primarily, and the way the chart looks, and also from the wave counts, for me, it adds up more to the view that this here was only the A wave, the A wave of this wave 2. So wave 2 is a corrective wave, right? And it consists of 3 waves, basically, a wave A, B, and C. And it could very well be that we are now in the B wave and then come down in the C. Now, this B wave itself consists of 3 waves. A wave A, done. The wave B, I think, currently unfolding, because also the wave B has an A, B, C. That could come down a bit lower, before we push higher in a C wave of large wave B, and then we come down in C. So it's actually very simple, A, B, C, the 3 wave move, just the internals here that are currently playing out. My view is we're coming down a bit deeper here, possibly in wave B, but wave B could already be finished. A wave B is very difficult to forecast. This could even, and this is what a wave B sometimes does as well, this could even become an Elliott Wave triangle. So we could have here in the wave, only a triangle in the B wave. This could very well be an A, B, C, D, E, and then the triangle, where the wave E bottoms. That would be then the low of the B wave. A triangle, a contracting triangle can happen in a wave B. And this would then be ideally a breakout to the upside, and that can take us then into the region between 20.7 and 23.6 cents. So that is sort of how I see this at the moment, going up and then come down. However, I don't think at the moment the wave 2 is already in. Also, this move up is looking so far quite corrective. So my general focus would be here on short-term upside, but it can move sideways for a little while, before it happens, and then come down. And important, very important, that we are holding in this C wave retracement, or the wave 2. When we finish that, we need to hold a certain level. The level that we need to hold is the 78.6% FIB level at 12.3 cents. I mean, yes, technically we can go a bit lower in a wave 2, but this is already getting below the 78.6% FIB level. It already gets, let's say, dangerous for a wave 2. And I mean, the last stop for the bears and the last chance for the bulls to turn this around into a bullish breakout pattern would be to hold the 10.3 cent level. So we need to hold that level that is sort of the last, the last exit on the motorway. The bulls need to hold that level at 10.3 cents. Again, already below the 12.3 cent level, it will get unlikely that this is still working out as a overall bullish pattern to the upside. Now, what is the price target to the upside? We can make some assumptions here. We could assume that, we've seen here a high in a wave 1, come down in a wave 2. Let's say we are coming down to 12.3 cents. That would be what I would assume at the moment, at least, because the wave C needs to have a certain length as well. And from here, then we could move up in a 1.618 extension to that level, 44.8 cents. That would be the third wave then, sort of the minimum price target for that. And then there will be a fourth wave down and a fifth wave up that could push us eventually to around 65 cents. And in these 5 waves, this is when we get the next larger correction, right? But yeah, this is sort of how I currently see Chiliz. It's one of the, let's say, the better charts, but I think we haven't seen the low yet. I think we come down a bit lower here. But on the other hand, at the moment, as long as we hold 12.3 cents, my assumption is that the bear market low was already in here in June at around 8 cents. Okay, and that's my update about Chiliz. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.